Look at all the snow. It's coming down. Hey guys, what's going on? It's Wyckoff here, Wyckoff Adventures. We're down here in Sparks, not all up in the mountains. And we're actually getting snow down here, guys. We're actually getting snow falling right on. And the temperature is, and the snow is falling. I love snow. It's just amazing. Feels like Christmas. It is March and it's snowing. That is so cool. Hopefully you guys are having a blessed night, a cool night. Anyways, much love from here at Wyckoff Adventures to you guys and to your family. Peace.